What's up guys, Jack here, and today we are back for a second video, and today's video is going to be a Redbubble shop reviews. I haven't done one of these in a while. I thought I did one last week, but apparently it's been quite a bit. So with that being said, let's get right into the shop reviews. Alright, in the first shop we're going to be reviewing today is Leg and Matrix, and to be honest, this shop looks pretty darn nice. I love the banner. I think it goes great with your name, and I really like it. 171 designs. Joined December 2020. So you have 171 designs up, and you literally just joined. I'm not sure actually how your shop is even at the top of my list, considering you must have submitted at very early December when you had like no designs. But now you're up to 171, and it looks like things are going pretty good. You got a collection. I like that. And you got some socks here. I don't know if I'd recommend putting your things on socks. I'd probably put them on other items like this. I would put it on the default of a t-shirt. And if we go down, I'm gonna see you do have like the office there. I would try to stay away from things like that and make sure that you have the rights to the thing you're posting. Definitely be careful around things like that. That is something I definitely want to warn you on. And these leggy letters, they look pretty cool, and I do think that's kind of the point of your shop, is to make it laggy. So I do like how your shop has a theme. I'm seeing that your shop does stick to a theme, which is actually really good because that's going to bring in repeat customers, and I really like that. So it's a weird niche, but I think it's a really cool niche, and I'm actually quite impressed with the way you've chosen this niche of laggy designs kind of thing. I like the style. I think there's a lot of potential there. You could go so many ways, make so many different things while staying in the niche, so I like that a lot. Your prices look pretty good. One thing I would recommend is probably just keeping your items on things that look the best. So like this, I probably wouldn't put it on the coffee. I'd probably just, keep it on stickers, shirts, masks, and that's pretty much it. Those are going to be the best things. Shower curtains aren't that great, but I mean, if it works, it works. However, 140 favorites, joined December 2020. Looks like you're doing pretty darn good for such an early start in your shop. It looks like you're getting things moving quickly. Keep posting designs, and real quick, I'm gonna go check your tags. Let's go check this one. I'm just gonna check your tags and the price, healthy price on your stickers. I like to see that. Obviously, I think you should have healthy prices on your stickers, 100%. And let's scroll down, look at the tags, and you have all these other nice stickers which are similar. I like those. So tags, all product tags. You have a good amount of tags. They look all pretty relatable. You probably could put in a few more tags if you wanted to. Don't touch my laptop. Don't touch my laptop. Touch my laptop. Glips lag. But like, honestly, this is really good. And I think if you have that many favorites and you just started your shop in December 2020, you are doing great. So keep it up. Keep uploading some like awesome designs like these. And I think you're just going to keep killing it. All right, next shop. Arita, sir. Something like that. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. 579 designs. That's a good chunk of designs. Joined July 2020, so pretty recent still, a few months back. And then we have here some pretty cool stickers, a sticker pack. So I guess these are nice stickers. Yep, I think they look good. I like how you have a collection. That's definitely good. You even have more collections here. And you have some funny designs. Oh, some cool designs too. Definitely is a phone case, so it looks like you're definitely utilizing the right product images. And something I didn't check on the last shop, which I'm pretty sure they did, but if you're not enabling all products, definitely make sure you do that. I'm gonna just click on one of these and see. I like how you mixed up the colors, so I hope that was like something that was already selling, or maybe you just mixed up the colors. It's free to post on Redbubble, so it doesn't really hurt. However, I like how you change the colors and also put it on there, and you have a bunch of different variations of it, looks like, and you have all 93 products on, so you're doing it right. You're having all of the products on. If we go back to your shop, I just want to check what other kinds of designs you have. Yeah, it looks like you know what you're doing in terms of optimizing which products go on which. This one looks a bit odd. I might put that on a t-shirt instead, but then again, it is Merry Christmas. You have until next year to do that. This one, very intentional product once again. Good stuff. Looks like you're actually following a lot of great advice, and you know what you're doing. Oh, a sticker pack too. This looks great. This shop actually looks really good. Same with the last shop. I'm actually quite impressed. Some of these shops have better designs than I have, and I like how you have all types of different designs. I know a general shop's still really good, And the other shop, although is really niche down, I really like how this shop is very general. You can try out new things, and I really like the idea of it. And it looks like you're definitely trying out new things. You have sticker packs, bed sheets, and very specific versions of those. And you're a fan artist apparently, so you must be doing something right. You have a piece of fan artwork that is licensed properly, so that's awesome. 387 favorites. Keep posting designs, man, and keep doing your thing. Definitely try to get another fan art if you can, because those are crazy good. I'm not sure which one it was here, but this looks pretty awesome. Kind of want to go look at this. This looks really awesome. I'm not sure if this is the fan art sponsored thing. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but that looks great. So definitely keep it up. And I probably would put more tags on this other than just John Reeves, Keanu Reeves, or John Wick. I'm not sure if you can actually sell this. I'm not sure if you have the rights to this. I'm not sure if this is your work, your fan art. But yeah, I think it looks great. Whether it's copyright safe, I don't know. But I would put some more tags on your items if you're gonna have tags. I would put even more relevant tags. You could definitely stick a few in there, especially on that one, and I'm sure on your other ones too. So yeah, overall good shop once again, and I'm really impressed with the second shop. Let's go over to the third shop now. Alright, DHL4L, I'm pretty sure that is right. And this guy comments on my videos all the time, if I remember correctly, and I really appreciate your support. So now let's take a look at your Redbubble shop. August 2020, so join the same month I did. 850 designs, that's pretty darn good. 800 designs, that is great. Looks like you're testing out a bunch of different niches. General shop, I love that. Lots of Thanksgiving designs. I actually didn't do like any Thanksgiving designs, but it appears that they're the most relevant, so I'm hoping you had a lot of sales in there. I'm hoping that you are posting new designs still, but your designs look good, and your designs are looking like you know what you're doing in terms of putting them on the right products, for your display. And lots of Christmas, lots of designs for Christmas and holidays. I like that. Hopefully you get some Easter designs and Valentine's Day designs too, but Easter designs now, because Valentine's Day, the window for it's kind of closing pretty much. And yeah, get ahead on the holidays. Definitely good job on the other holidays. Hopefully you made some sales there, and I would suggest definitely keeping what you're doing. And I like how you're kind of putting different designs on different colors, mixing it up, getting some more designs out there. You even have sticker packs, so that's good too. I would just make sure that your text designs are readable in the thumbnails. This one's pretty good, but I would definitely try to make them bigger, bolder if you can. Obviously not all the designs are going to make sense to be bigger and bolder, but still something to keep in mind. But I'm liking a lot of the designs in your shop, and I'm liking these sticker packs, and you have some good stuff on here, so keep it up. I'm hoping you're still making designs. And I like these little graphics here. Education is important, but I've definitely done some of those myself, but I did not make them look this good, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, keep it up. And real quick, let's go check on one of your products for the tags and how many products you have enabled. Okay, looks like you have it on pretty much every single product except one, because it's supposed to say 93 here. But maybe you don't have it on the jigsaw puzzle. I often used to forget that one. I never sold one, but I always enable it anyways. I don't really think it's a big deal if you don't, but at least you're enabling pretty much everything. And if we scroll down to your tags, of course you know what you're doing here. You got your tags right. Football, kids, sport is important, or yep, jokes, humor. I like it. Well, that's the third shop, and all these shops are pretty darn good. Real quick, I just want to go check your favorites and your followers, because that's always cool to see. If we scroll to the bottom, 202 favorited, so people are liking your designs. Keep making designs and keep posting, even if you're not making sales. I know January has been slow for me. I'm gonna make a video on that probably later today, but keep posting, and thank you so much for the support on the videos, DHL. And let's go to the next and final shop. Alright, the last and final shop we have here is Ziconid. And this shop looks pretty good. I like the banner. I like how you're putting some of your work up here. I definitely would try to blow up the image a little, make it look a bit bigger, or not bigger, a bit more, scaled to size. It does look a bit stretched. Then put some bars on the side, or just scale it down so it doesn't look as blown out. But really, it looks pretty good still. I would say it is not that big of a deal. Joined December 2020, so last month you joined, and already 66 designs, so that's pretty darn good. I like that. Keep it up, keep it going. And let's go take a look. You don't have any collections, but that's not really a big deal. I do like the way your shop looks right now. It does look simple and clean. Adding a collection could help you though, like bestsellers collection, stuff like that, stuff that's selling a lot and you think it would, you know, be attractive to a good amount of people, or that's already selling, is definitely not a bad idea. And in terms of products, it looks like you have your products on intentional things. I definitely would raise your designs up to the chest if you don't already see that they aren't on the chest. So I'm sure you are aware of putting them up on the chest area or higher, not on the stomach. And this has happened to me too before, where the design just falls short on certain products because I don't adjust it on that specific product. That happens. I like these masks a lot. I think they look really good. So if you just joined in December, I think you have some really good designs here. And I'm noticing you have a lot of coffee than cows designs, but I still really think that at least you're getting designs out, you're actually putting stuff on your shop, and you are, you know, seeing what works for yourself and testing. So I think that's awesome. And then if we go down here, 227 favorites, which is pretty insane considering you just joined December 2020. So it looks like you got something on here that is selling, and whatever is selling or whatever is getting favorited a lot, definitely keep making more of those. It might be the coffee than cows thing, who knows? That might be why you have so many coffee than cows, maybe. But I would definitely, you know, keep doing what you're doing, keep focusing on the things that are working. And real quick, let's go take a look at how many products you have these coffee than cows enabled on, and we'll see if you can do anything better. So 24 products. I definitely would recommend enabling all products. Go into the shirt section, that first tab, and make sure everything is clicked there. That is something I forgot to do or did not know of until like months into my Redbubble experience. So I had to go back and change like hundreds and hundreds of listings. So now that you know that, now that you're seeing this video, hopefully you will go and enable all the products, every single one. Especially for a general shop, I definitely would just enable every product. You can also change the images on things like stickers to a black text version instead of a white text version. They look really good, so that's something you might want to think about. And then cows, or not cows, tags. For tags, I definitely would put more tags. 5 tags, not that much. I definitely would put a few more. You know, coffee than cows, coffee, cows. You could put coffee lover, cows lover, coffee and cows lover, like I love cows, I love coffee, stuff like that. And if you're not sure, there's also plenty of tag tools like Merch Titan's Redbubble tag generator. That's absolutely free, and you can use that to generate some more relevant tags or find some more ideas for tags. And yeah, I think other than that, keep doing what you're doing. Join December 20th. I like how you're crushing it. 220 favorites. Definitely keep going with what's working, and, you know, amplify the things that are selling, and then don't stop designing. Keep making your shop grow and keep making those sales grow. But yeah, with that being said, this is the last shop of this review, and let's roll the outro. Alright, so I actually really enjoy, you know, reviewing your guys' shop. I'm not sure how helpful I am. I feel like sometimes I get caught up in things I already know, and I kind of skip over some knowledge or some things that you guys might not know. So if that's the case, let me know down in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this shop review, and I'm going to be doing more of them in the future. I do have quite a bit of people on my list still, but if you want to get your shop reviewed at some point in time, then just comment your list or your shop down below, and I will add it to the list if it's not already on there. If you've commented before and I heard your comment, then I have it on my list. I just have quite a bit to go through still, and I'm going to be doing 4 an episode so we can get through them quicker and get to yours quicker. So comment your Redbubble shops down below if you do want to get yours reviewed, if you haven't commented before. With all that being said, if you guys made it to this point of the video, please comment down below the word Valentine's. Okay, Valentine's, you know, we're around that time of year. Just comment the word Valentine's and I will like your comment, and I will appreciate your comment very much. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.